What's up guys, Johan here. Today at the shop we've got this Porsche Macan. As you just saw, it went through our decontamination stage. It's now in our detailing bay. We're going to do a two-stage paint correction on this car. We're going to do an engine bay detailing as well as detail the complete interior of this car. It's going to its new owner, so we want it to look brand new. Alright, this Porsche was a quick in and out. It came to our shop yesterday morning. We did a full paint decontamination. We did a two-stage paint correction. This white is absolutely popping. We got most of the swirls out. We also did an interior detail as well as an engine detail. The car is now ready to go to its new owner later on today.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake or loyal? Why no water, that designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed creeping. Know the real, monster lives above them all.